everyone. We're Blackpink, and we just had an interview on the Zach Sang show. We had a lot of fun, so please check it out.